everyone, I'm Shelley from the Lash Lounge, and today I'm going to show you how to use Lash Armor. To best protect your lashes from moisture, sweat, humidity, makeup, and other daily elements, Lash Armor is a must. We have two formulas, Onyx in deep black for a rich yet natural tint, and Crystal for a clear coating. Lash Armor works to extend the life of your lash adhesive, which will lock your extensions in place for a longer period of time. To start, first, remove the applicator and wipe the excess product off the brush and onto the rim of the tube. To apply, start underneath the lash line and tap the brush along the base of your lashes, including under and on top of your lash line. Lastly, grab a clean lash wand, we love our Crystal Lash Wand, and comb through your lashes to help separate them and allow for better drying. Make sure to wait 24 hours after any lash extension service before applying. Other than that, you can apply 3 times a week.